Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we compare products to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Today, we have an exciting showdown between two top-rated dash cams for your car. On the left, we have the Cosuvow Dash Cam 4K, and on the right, the FOCUWAY Dash Cam Front Rear 4K.
Get ready for a wild ride as we dive into the world of dash cams.
Let's start with the most important factor, video quality.
The Cosuvow Dash Cam 4K boasts an impressive Ultra HD 4K resolution. With its advanced Starvis sensor and 6-glass lens, you'll capture every detail of your driving experience. On the other hand, the FOCUWAY Dash Cam Front Rear 4K takes it up a notch with its 4K front camera and full HD 1080p rear camera.
You won't miss a single number plate or road sign with its wide-angle lens.
Both cameras offer exceptional video quality, but the FOCUWAY Dash Cam Front Rear 4K takes the lead here with its dual-lens recording capabilities. It's like having eyes in the front and back of your car. Now let's talk about the features that set these dash cams apart. The Cosuvow Dash Cam 4K comes with Wi-Fi app control, allowing you to easily view live footage, replay recordings, and share your journeys with friends and family.
Plus, it has a G sensor and loop recording, providing valuable evidence in case of an accident.
Meanwhile, the FOCUWAY Dash Cam Front Rear 4K offers a firmware update that unlocks exciting features like screensaver mode and Wi-Fi frequency switch. Its 3.39 inches IPS display and smart voice control make it a breeze to use while driving. And don't forget the built-in GPS tracking, which records your speed and driving around.
Both dash cams have impressive features, but the FOCUWAY Dash Cam Front Rear 4K takes the lead again with its faster 5 GHz Wi-Fi and advanced night vision capabilities. It's like having a high-tech co-pilot on your side. Let's move on to parking monitoring.
The Cosuvow Dash Cam 4K offers a 24-hour parking monitor, automatically recording and capturing any potential events around your vehicle. And with its time-lapse feature, it protects your car from theft or vandalism.
On the other hand, the FOCUWAY Dash Cam Front Rear 4K provides two parking modes: collision detection and time-lapse recording.
You'll have peace of mind knowing that your car is under constant surveillance, even when you're not around. When it comes to parking monitoring, both dash cams offer great options, but the FOCUWAY Dash Cam Front Rear 4K takes the lead with its two parking modes. It's like having a security guard for your car. Last but not least, let's talk about the price. The Cosuvow Dash Cam 4K is priced at an affordable $59, making it a budget-friendly option for those looking for a reliable dash cam.
On the other hand, the FOCUWAY Dash Cam Front Rear 4K comes in at a higher price point of $159. While it may be more expensive, it offers a range of advanced features and superior video quality. When it comes to price, it all depends on your budget and the features you prioritize.
Both dash cams offer value for money, but the Cosuvow Dash Cam 4K takes the lead here with its affordable price tag. According to online reviews, the Cosuvow Dash Cam 4K is praised for its ease of installation and use, clear video, quality, and affordability. Reviewers also appreciate its Wi-Fi app control and the valuable evidence it provides in case of accidents.
On the other hand, the FOCUWAY Dash Cam Front Rear 4K receives high ratings for its high picture quality, user-friendly installation process, and advanced features like built-in GPS and dual lens recording.
Reviewers consider it the best camera they have tested and highly recommend it.
So which dash cam is the winner?
Well, it ultimately depends on your specific needs and preferences.
If you're on a budget and looking for a reliable dash cam, the Cosuvow Dash Cam 4K is a great choice. But if you're willing to invest a bit more for advanced features and superior video quality, the FOCUWAY Dash Cam Front Rear 4K is the way to go.
That's it for today's showdown between the Cosuvow Dash Cam 4K and the FOCUWAY Dash Cam Front Rear 4K.
We hope this comparison helped you make a smarter purchasing decision.
Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more product comparisons.
Stay tuned for our next episode of Buy Smart, where we'll be diving into another exciting product category. Until then, happy shopping!